Hello, my beautiful souls. Welcome and welcome back to my channel, Soul Seed Tarot. I just felt like, I just felt like doing a reading for Aries today. I just felt like doing a random reading, but I thought let's do a reading for Aries for July, and we'll continue the series for July for all 12 zodiac signs, starting with Aries, of course. And without delaying further, let's get started to your reading, Aries. Please keep in mind these are going to be general readings. All the messages may or may not resonate with you. Please keep the ones that resonate and leave the rest. Okay, Aries, with that, let's see your overall energies, let me just go one by one. This is going to be your overall energies for July 2025. Your business, your job, career, and finance, your health, and your love life. I hope all the cards are visible. I'll just cross check once. Okay, that's great. Cool. Okay, Aries, for your overall energies, we have the Hermit in reverse for you. Okay, you were thinking about your life, about some situation since a long time. You gave it a thought. You were indecisive about it, but after putting a lot of thoughts, maybe now you are ready to take some action or ready to take a decision, and you are committed to make the right decision that will be right for you, for your life, your career, your family, and everything. And after a period of isolation, you are now ready to come back to world, and you're ready to let them know your decision, what decision you have taken, and how you're going to approach the world, approach this situation. Maybe it was a very tough decision for you because there will be a lot of burden, a lot of responsibilities on your shoulder. Maybe you should just share your work and responsibilities with others, or maybe you have just chosen to take all the responsibilities by yourself. The decision is up to you. Whatever you wish to do. Moving forward to your business, we have the tower in reverse, three of wands in reverse, page of cups in reverse, and 10 of cups in reverse for you. Hmm. All the cards are in reverse. It doesn't mean something bad is being indicated in this reading. No, not like that. But in your business, Aries, be very careful which kind of people you entertain, with whom you make a deal, with whom you make partnership. Okay, your surroundings, your business deals, your partners, you have to check your accounts. You have to be very careful and very detail oriented, Aries. If you are doing business in July, you have to be very much detail oriented. Why? Because there could be somebody who is trying to sabotage you, or the situation will arise. So like, um if at all it is not a person, but the situation will arise so that by mistake you have done something wrong, you have put some wrong amounts in your accounts or something like that, and it will be a disaster. It will become a blunder. So be very careful about it. Also, if you have anything on your hand, like any task on your hand, or you have a business meeting or something like that, be proactive and finish your task, complete your task as early as possible. Don't delay it. At least those tasks which you know you have to do, you that is a regular thing, or regular task, or that is a usual thing that you do. When it comes to new business deals, anything new being started, a new partnership or something like that, you have to think, like, think from your logical sense. Don't get emotionally attached to a deal. If at all somebody is trying to bring emotional angle into a business situation, stay away from it. That is very crucial for you to stay away from that kind of situations. Somebody may say it is for a social cause, it is for the betterment of other people's lives, you have to donate something or something like that. I'm just giving you an example. If you are doing so, be very careful about the paperwork. this is a this is a chance or opportunity for you, Aries, to show to universe that you are very much responsible, because the universe is testing you in July if you are capable of taking responsibilities or not, how you handle every situation, are you missing any minor details. This journey in July will bring some change in you, a good change. Like, you will be more responsible in life. After having an experience of handling such situations, of course, after having such experience, you'll always be more responsible, more smart, better than you were before. Moving on to your job, career, and finance, Aries, we have Ace of Wands. First off, there is new inspiration, new opportunity, growth, expansion. Everything is there for you. If you wanted to follow your passion and do something creative, well, this is a very good time for you. You have potential, and luck is going to be with you. Okay, as well as you're going to get opportunities in those lines. Clarified by Justice in reverse, Two of Swords in reverse, and Page of Swords in reverse. Okay, Aries, first off, if you have any idea, any creativity, try to put your trademark or your logo or whatever it is, your, like, people should know that it is created by you. Okay, moreover, if you face any competition, as there is something new being started, every time anything new is beginning, or we are on the path of success, we face challenges. And if you face challenges, don't feel like it is a competition, or maybe somebody is getting more favor from others and you are not. Don't let that kind of negative mentality overpower you or your mental space. Like, whatever energy you have, you put that energy into this creativity. Don't put your energy into negative thinking. Okay, don't put your energy into negative thinking. Be clear on your mind, in your mind. Be clear what you are doing, how you are spending your time. Don't waste your time. Okay, how you are spending your time. Are you doing something productive, or you're just wasting time thinking about something negative or something like that? Okay, so align with your goal, align with your potential and passion, and you will be able to create something for you. Like, you have a passion, you have some skill and talent, and you will be able to create a line by which you'll earn money by using this talent or passion of yours. You will be able to establish it. And whosoever are job seekers who really want to have job, first of all, you may have a job that you are more passionate about, or it is just that you're going to get a lot of opportunities, a lot of opportunities, like work interviews, something like that, and you have to be you have to stay focused in that line. Okay, focus is much more important in this month for you. Moving on to your health, Aries, we have the Fool card in reverse, Six of Cups, Empress, Ten of Wands in reverse. Okay, first, everything is going smooth, everything is going fine. Don't take any risk in July, Aries. Any risk in the sense with fire, or with vehicles, or with you know anything that could harm you or injure you. इंजरी से बच के रहना है, खुद को प्रोटेक्टेड रखना है, और ऐसे कोई रिस्क नहीं लेना है. ठीक है. इट्स नॉट लाइक ओके बोर हो रहा हूँ तो चलो कुछ करते हैं, और करते करते कुछ इंजरी हो जाए. You have to take care of yourself, or you have to take care of your emotions as well. There is a Six of Cups and Empress, so there is water energy. Take care of your emotions as well, and don't take too much responsibilities and burdens on your shoulder. Be calm, relax, and take only that much of responsibility which you can handle, which you will be able to handle. Okay, moving on to your love life, Aries, we have Four of Swords in reverse, the Chariot, the World, and the Two of Cups. Oh my god. Okay. First off, something is ending and something new is beginning. Okay. First off, if you were having a rough phase in your love life, you're going to patch up with this person. Okay. Your this cycle of, like, nobody took accountability, nobody was respecting each other, so that toxic or that tough cycle is going to end, and a new cycle is going to begin, which will take you onto the right path, onto the right track, where you both will respect each other. There will be mutual understanding, mutual care, and mutual respect. For singles, you may there is a high chance that you will meet someone new, again with these kind of personality traits where they will value you, they will respect you, they will take care of you. There is a lot of respect, love, and responsibility. Okay, this is a very good spread for you, Aries, for your love life in July. Singles have a good news, even couples have a good news. You will take your relationship onto a right track. You will take your relationship onto the next step, next level. For people who were isolated since a long time, and maybe you had a breakup, and you were single since a long time, we have the hermit in reverse here, we have the four of swords in reverse here. So you were isolated since a long time, you're going to meet someone new, and they are going to give you a completely new experience, completely new experience of the world, how the world runs, how a relationship runs. This is going to be a completely new experience for you, a very positive one. Okay, that's all I had for you, Aries. If it resonated, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Please tell your friends and family as well to subscribe. And I have already posted a shorts on Aries for July 2025. You can watch that as well. If you have Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus in any other signs, feel free to watch that on my channel. I will post a video on each zodiac sign every day for July 2025. So you can watch that on my channel. Thank you so much for joining, Aries. We will see you in the next video. Bye bye.